My channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different and something that I never done before, and later you will see why. So today's video is going to be talking more about skincare, but I'm going to be putting a little bit twist to the skincare, and it actually all started a recommendation from my close auntie, and I went to the place and the thing started. So if you want to know what is the actual thing, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy, and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching. A month ago, I was actually introduced to this facial place by my auntie, and she actually went to the facial, and we all saw her results on the skin, and it was like really improving her skin texture and overall appearance, and I was also definitely so much interested. So I went ahead to the facial place and got my first consultation. So I went there by myself, and they started telling me like, okay, what I can do to solve my acne scars, acne problem, and also to overall improve my skin texture. Because if you guys don't know already, I have I think combination skin, because sometimes my skin is very dry, sometimes my skin is oily throughout the day, and also another thing is I have very textured skin, very textured skin, but now I can feel my skin is so much softer, and my makeup is definitely so much smoother. So I will take you along the process of how I actually get to this stage, because I pre-film all the other steps ahead, so I can really film and share my review and thoughts of all the process. So after the first skin consultation, they actually recommended me to try their first trial promotion, which I will put right here, and it comes with a set of skincare and also a facial treatment. So the skincare set are actually these right here. I will put like a screen showing you the skincare. So the first one you're getting is the Active Herbal Gentle Cleanser, Active Herbal Soothing Balancing Toner, the Active Purifying Serum, the green color one, and the Active Multivitamin Complex Gel. And then moving on is the Active Antioxidant Repair Cream and the Active Cell Renewing Booster. This is for the night use, and then for the morning use, if you want to have that protective layer, which is the sunscreen UV, is the Active Protective. So all these are from the Active Plus range, and they really emphasize on using these products together with the facial treatment to really help to improve your overall skin texture. And I actually went there to get my first consultation, and I straight away immediately bought the kit, because I really wanted to once and for all really improve my skin. So I tried the skincare for a week before having my first facial treatment, and even before I went to the facial treatment, I was already amazed by how the product actually worked on the skin. At first few days, I was kind of would this product really work? And the skin consultant also tell me that I should try my best to not mix any other other products that I'll be using into this skincare, because she really wants to monitor how's my skin gonna react using this product only. For the first few days, I thought that the skin is actually, you can feel the skin is just normal, but after the first few days, about 3 to 4 days like that, I am so amazed, because the skin is started to peel by itself. Not in a very bad way. It was quite shocking to me as well. I was quite scared, but it started to peel mainly on my cheek area. My nose peeled the most, and around my underneath this chin area right here. And I went back to the skin consultant. I was asking to them because I meet them along the way, and I asked them, why is this happening? Like, I was so worried because my skin is peeling. Obviously you'll be worried, right? And then she mentioned to me that because, I don't know if you guys know or not, previously my videos you guys saw that my like nose area here have a scar, and usually I put makeup on, you can really see the scar there, but it has decreased so much. And the reason she told me why it is actually continuously peeling is because you need to get rid of all the dead skin cells that is like accumulating on top of your skin. So I thought this was a birthmark, and she said it could be, but the thing is, it might also be like previous acne scarring there, but I don't really like remember any acne scarring, but I'm not sure actually. So but it actually really works. It started to peel off, the scarring around here started to become so lightened, and especially here, because usually I always color correct here, but the skin area here is also getting lighter. My acne scarring is also getting lighter, and I was amazed itself using the product. So I was like, okay, I'm very excited already. And then I went to the facial treatment, which I will show you the entire process later, and I feel that my skin has improved so much. Mainly, the first thing I can say is about the texture, because I really am so much annoyed on my textured skin, and I was so amazed that it can really remove like the textured skin, and it became so soft. But you need to continuously using the product. That's the only thing, that because I am I review stuff, I like to try other things, so it's like the urge to try like use back my old products, but I told myself I need to be more disciplined, and I stick to this product, and I can feel that the facial and the products really work together and merge together, and it just like make my skin much more improved, especially like my nose area. And also another part of the facial treatment that you guys will see later is, you know, sometimes if you went to a facial treatment before, I previously is scared to go facial treatment because the pain that you go through, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't go to any facial treatment before, it's pain. Beauty is pain, I definitely would say, because they will press here, press there, and your whole skin will be like so red and irritated. I don't know, but we still need to get all those white and black heads off. But this place facial treatment, it's painless. Sometimes they will put a little bit pressure, but other than that, it doesn't use any pressure at all, because they use like an extraction to one by one. It's a very lengthy process and time-consuming process, but they are like so gentle on it. They one by one use the extraction tool and to just pull out. You know it, they don't need to press, they just pull one by one. Imagine how many like thousands of like blackheads all over your face, and they one by one pull out, and I didn't feel any pain at all, and it was just like very relaxing. I was just the feeling was so good. So yeah, I would suggest you guys stay tuned for the process video, and you guys can just watch and hear me explain all the process, because maybe you guys will be interested in that. So let's go on to the process video.
Alright guys, so here I'll be explaining the process of the facial, and as you can see, I'm giving you my raw, natural, no makeup right here. And the first step is that I'm actually removing any makeup residues that I have, and then moving on to washing my face with their cleanser. And here, as you can see, they are just like wiping off the cleanser, make sure my skin is totally clean. And here they are actually using the exfoliator. So as you can see, like continuously now she's massaging the exfoliator onto my skin, and the small like bits of pieces is coming out from my skin. That is actually the dead cells and all the skin that is unwanted on my skin, and is coming out from the exfoliator that she used. And as again, she is just using the cloth to remove all the remaining dead skin cell and exfoliating to make sure my skin is super clean. So moving on to some masking, and this right here she explained to me is the base before you put any mask, so it's like a pre-mask I would say, and I just speeding up this process because this video is gonna be like so long already. So this is the process, and then moving on to this mask right here. This mask she just put all over my face before the extraction process, which you will see later. And as again, she is just removing the mask. So here is the extraction part, and as you can see, she uses the extraction tool right there to one by one remove the black and white heads of mine. I'm sorry for some of you guys, this scene might be a little bit disgusting because some people don't like the scene, but I really want to let you guys see like how they actually do it. Ignore my chubby face. And after all the extraction is done, removing the black heads and white heads and also all the active pimple, she just spraying this like water serum on my skin to really make the skin calm. And here she has started to layer the mask, and the first one is to actually to like have an antibacterial kind of property that also help to control. And in Chinese she explained to me 这个好像它帮助消炎 for 那个 skin， 所以它不会全部很红这样子。It also reduce the redness. So those of you who can understand Chinese, yeah, that's the explanation for that. But the next step for the mask continuing, she actually putting like layering mask, as you can see right here. And she also said that this mask to focus mainly on like the chin area, which is more like darker, as you can see right here, and also at my nose area. And this mask is actually very tingling on the skin, and it's like very pokey, which is a bit uncomfortable, but it helps to really like get rid all the darkness on the skin that is building up. And then moving on to another mask that she's putting to just like overall calm and also good properties on the skin. And here she just used some type of oil. I don't know whether it's essential oil or not, but it smells so amazing and it also was so relaxing. And here she is just massaging my skin and it was like so relaxing. And after washing off all the previous masks, she now is putting another mask on my skin, and I believe this mask is like hydrating the skin. I'm not too sure, but this mask feels so cooling on the skin. I really love it a lot, and it just like put a glob like that on my skin, and then after that it will dry down to like a gel texture, and then she would just remove it. And after all the mask is done, is basically at the end of the facial treatment, and she will end it by putting on the skincare routine that is recommended. So as you can see, here is toner, and then previously I showed you in this video the products, which is like the lineup, as I say, ending with the UV. So yeah, this is actually the signature facial treatment, and again I will put all the description down in the description box below so you guys can go check it out.
Okay guys, so I'm back and I really hope you guys enjoyed the overall process of the facial, and the facial name is called Signature Facial because that's my first facial and that's the most basic one they will help you to do. Basic, but it's actually so extra, and you can see all the steps, and also I explained to you all the function of each and every step so you guys are more clearer. And this skin transformation journey of mine, I don't want to like put out a video and just stop right there. I will continuously update you guys on my YouTube channel, especially on my Instagram. YouTube channel will be another video that is like concluding all my skin once it's like completely, not to say completely, but I can really see a significant difference from the beginning till now. But I will complete that video once I really done the few treatments, which is maybe like after few months, who knows, and let's see how my skin transform. But do follow me on Instagram at DaintyDashBeauty because I'll be uploading like all my skincare updates, and also the other facial treatment short clips will be there, so please stay tuned at my Instagram. And also I really want to thank you, like my auntie, to recommend me to this place, and also thank you Women's Secret Garden WSG facial for like really transforming my skin. And I am very excited what's coming next, and I really hope my skin gets better and better. Like you can see now, even my makeup looks so flawless. I am so happy with the results already. So I will leave all the links down in the description box below, and also how you can contact them if you're interested in their products or even their facial treatments. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my upcoming updates, skincare updates. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!